Indian National Congress is protesting against the atrocities that have taken place in Lakhimpur Kheri. This Mauna Vrat protest, vow of silence, is to wake up our Prime Minister, to make him see and hear the voices of the common people, the voices of the farmer. What happened in Lakhimpur Kheri almost a week back was a brutal killing of ordinary farmers. And who were the killers? Who were the perpetrators? The vehicle belongs to the Central Union Home Minister for State. His followers, the car has been proved that it belongs to him. His followers are there in that car, in that vehicle, in that convoy. His son is allegedly, many witnesses said that he was in the car too. And they brutally ran over farmers who were peacefully protesting. Protesting is a fundamental right of the people of India. And a peaceful protest was disrupted by these goons, by these killers. And the way they did it was the most shocking thing. They were fearless, they didn't care about the law, they did it with impunity. So it goes to show that they thought that they could get away with anything. There are thousands of eyewitnesses, thousands of people there. And the way we all saw the video of the Mahindra car and the cars behind them just running over these farmers. And 4 farmers have died because of this incident. And after that, 4 more people have died due to the violence that took place after this incident. Who is responsible for this? And the Union Home Minister, State Home Minister, Mr. Mishra, says that his son was not there. Who asked him to say all those things? He should have only said that the police will take necessary action, the law will follow its own course. Who is he to say that my son was there or not there? And if the Union Home Minister says that my son is not there, what is the message he's giving to the people, to the police force, to the UP government, that protect my son? His name is in the FIR. The police don't arrest him for 5 days. Why this special treatment for him? And after going to Supreme Court, and Supreme Court taking up the matter suo moto and passing severe strictures on the Yogi government, and an SIT is formed, and now he is in judicial custody. So this is completely subversion of power, subversion of authority, subversion of law, and it is contempt of the laws. And the arrogance of power that is being displayed by Modi and his ministers is shocking. He doesn't speak one word about this, the Prime Minister. He goes to UP, he doesn't say one word about this. Delhi riots take place, he doesn't say one word about it. Farmers are agitating, he doesn't say one word about it. What is this Prime Minister about? Who is he concerned about? So our demand is that Mr. Mishra, what is his full name? Mr. Ajay Mishra, the Union Minister for Home, for State, should be immediately sacked, because he has given comments which has tried to derail this criminal investigation, and he is trying to protect his son. So he has got no moral authority to continue in that office. The Congress party is demanding the immediate sacking of that person, and we demand that the Prime Minister opens his mouth, that the Prime Minister speaks to the country. What is this Mann Ki Baat all about? Always talking about subjects which nobody wants to know about, just for his self-glorification. Let him talk about the subjects which matter to the people of India. Because he doesn't even address a press conference and take questions. How are we supposed to know what he is thinking, what he is doing? Is he unquestionable? Is he not answerable? So we demand the Prime Minister speak on this issue. We demand that the Minister is sacked, and we demand that farmers are given justice, and we demand that the farm laws are scrapped, because it's high time this government gets off its high horse and scraps these farm laws which are anyway stayed by the Supreme Court. So these are our principal demands, and that is why in Goa today, under the leadership of Sri Chidambaram ji, our PCC President Girish ji, our CLP leader Digambar ji, our Member of Parliament Sardina ji, and all the other leaders, we have observed this vow of silence, Maun Vrat, to wake up the central government and to wake up our Prime Minister.
आमचो देश हो लोकशाही प्रधान देश. आमच्या कॉन्स्टिट्युशना भितर क्लियरली म्हणिल्लें आसा की भारत हो प्रजासत्ताक आनी प्रजासत्ताक म्हणजे प्रजेचें राज्य. प्रजेच्या राज्यांत प्रजेक जाय तें जावपाक जाय, प्रजेचेर अन्याय जावपाक जायना. प्रजा जे समजता, प्रजाक जे डिमांड करता तें आयकून घेवपाचें सरकाराचें कर्तव्य आसता. आनी बरें सरकार हे सदांच प्रजेचें आयकून तांच्या कलान घेता. आज देशांत जे चालू आसा म्हणजे जो शेतकरी ह्या इकॉनॉमीचो कोणो अशें म्हणटात आमी, म्हणजे परत आमी कृशी प्रधान देश म्हणटात. भारत हो कृशी प्रधान देश. शेतकरी पिकयता म्हणून आमी खातात आनी जगतात. अशा शेतकऱ्यांचेर आज अन्याय जाल्लो आसा. शेतकरी रस्त्यार आयिल्ले आसात. 1 वर्स मायज जालें शेतकरी एज्युकेट करता, सरकाराक आयकूंक येना, सरकाराक दिसना. आनी अशा परिस्थितींत एक गृहमंत्र्याचो मिनिस्टर ऑफ स्टेट फॉर होमाचो चलो गाडी घालता शेतकऱ्यांच्या एज्युकेशनाचे भितर आनी तांकां कुचलून सामकें म्हणजे तांकां कुचलून तांची हत्या करता. हे लोकशाही देशांत जावपाक शकना. हे फक्त हुकुमशाहीच्या देशांत जावपाक शकता. हाचे पयलीं आमी पळयलां ज्या राष्ट्रांनी हुकुमशाही आशिल्ली त्या राष्ट्रांनी अशें एज्युकेशन करपी लोकांक मारून उडयल्यात. आमी पळयलां जेन्ना भारत स्वतंत्र जावपा खातीर झगडटाले तेन्ना आमी पळयलां जालियनवाला बागा सारको इन्सिडेंट पळयला. अशे वेगवेगळे इन्सिडेंट पळयल्या ज्या जाग्यार सत्याग्रहाचेर गोळयो घालून सत्याग्रहांक मारून उडयले. पूण लोकशाही प्रधान देशांत प्रजासत्ताकाच्या ह्या भारतांत अशी परिस्थिती जाता हें सगळ्यांक आमकां लजेचें अशें दिसता. आनी अजून 4 दीस 5 दीस जाले FIR लॉन्च जाता पूण त्या मंत्र्याच्या चल्याक अजून धरलो वचना. आनी जेन्ना सुप्रीम कोर्टांतल्यान प्रेशर येता, सुप्रीम कोर्टाचे स्ट्रिक्चर्स येता तेन्ना मागीर ताका दाखोवपा खातीर आतां अरेस्ट करून ज्युडिशियल कस्टडी धाडला. आमचो सगळ्यांचो डिमांड आसा की सगळ्यांत पयली गजाल जावपा जाय म्हणजे ज्या मंत्र्याचो हो चलो तो मंत्री केंद्रांत अत्यंत म्हत्वाचें स्थान भुशयता. इज द मिनिस्टर ऑफ स्टेट फॉर होम. गृहमंत्री आहा तो, राज्य गृहमंत्री. ज्या मंत्र्याचे आज सगळ्या पुलिसाचेर सगळ्याचेर कंट्रोल आहा त्या मंत्र्याचो ताबडतोब मंत्र्यान राजिनामो दिवचो, नाजाल्यार ताका केंद्र सरकारान प्रायम मिनिस्टरान ताका सॅक करचो ही पयली मागणी आसा. आनी शेतकऱ्यांक न्याय दिवचो. जे कितें हें कर्म घडलां हें कर्म लज्जास्पद. आमकां आख्ख्या इंटरनॅशनल लेवलाचेर ताजे पडसाद उरल्या की कशा पद्दतीन शेतकऱ्यांक मारले वता. अशें एक वातावरण आज समज जगांत जालां. म्हणजे ह्या देशांत जाला कितें असो प्रश्न बाकीच्या इंटरनॅशनल लेवलाचे लोक विचारपाक वता. आनी म्हणून ताका शेतकऱ्यांक न्याय दिवचो. आनी ज्या कायद्या खातीर शेतकरी रस्त्यार आयला, ज्या कायदे रिपील करचे म्हणून शेतकरी झगडटात. आमी जर खरे लोकशाही प्रधान देश आनी प्रजासत्ताक म्हणजे कितें गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ द पीपल, बाय द पीपल, फॉर द पीपल हें जर धोरण आमचें आसा जाल्यार सरकारान ताबडतोब हे कायदे रिपील करचे, शेतकऱ्यांक न्याय दिवचो आनी परत तांकां आपलें प्रोडक्शन करपाक वचचें. नाजाल्यार शेतकऱ्याचो अशें जर एज्युकेशनाक बसले हजारांनी लाखांनी शेतकरी जाल्यार ताजे पीक पळय जें प्रोडक्ट जावपाचें आसा, आमचें जें अन्न प्रोड्यूस जावपाचें आहा ताजेर सुद्दां तो परिणाम जातलो, देशाचेर परिणाम जातलो, प्रजेचेर परिणाम जातलो. आमी सगळे भारतांतल्या प्रजेक उलो मारता की सगळ्या लोकांनी हो इन्सिडेंट आनी सगळ्यांनी पळयला टीव्हीचेर हाजेर सगळ्यांक आमी उलो मारतात की तांणी पळयात, जागृत जायात. हो देश अशे पद्दतीन वचपाक दिनाकात. हो देश आमचो देश. हो देश आमी कश्ट करून लोकांनी स्वतंत्र केल्लो देश. ह्या देशांत परत एकदां असली राजवट हुकुमशाहीची हाडपाचे प्रयत्न करनाका. तो कोणी प्रयत्न करता जाल्यार तो हाणून उडोवप हें आमच्या सगळ्यांचें कर्तव्य. ते सगळ्या देशांतल्या नागरिकांनी करचे असो उलो आमी देशाक मारता.
वर रावता
देना म्हणटा रे.
हां
छाड़ देना चाहिए ये भी
सबंद देशांत आयज ही सायलेंट आमी प्रोटेस्ट केल्लो आसा कित्याक जें देशांत घडलां आनी घडटा ती आमची डेमोक्रेसी काबार करीत आसात. आयज प्रोटेस्ट इज अ फंडामेंटल रायट ऑफ फार्मर्स आनी एरे कडेन जें घडलां आनी विरोध घडटा लोकांचेर तो प्रोटेस्ट करपाक लोकांक रायट आसा आनी लोकांची ड्युटी सरकाराचे दोळे उगडपाक कितें देशांत आनी सरकाराक वायट जें जाता तें बंद करपाक. तें नवें न्ही. आमी पळयलें पोंडिचेरी सगल्यांचेर केश्यो घाल्यो मंत्री आसले स्पिकराचेर आनी ते जेन्ना BJPन जॉयन जातात तेन्ना ते सगळे सेंट जातात. पयले ऑपोजिशन आहा तेन्ना ते फटींग आनी जेन्ना ते सरकारा बारबर वताय ते सगळे कंट्रोलांत पावताय. हें आमच्या देशांत घडलां तेन्ना हांव तुमकां मिडियाकूय उलो मारतां तुमी हे देशभक्ती म्हूण तुमचो कर्तव्य जावन आसा की देशाक कितें वायट जाता तें तुमी एक्सपोज करपाक. कित्याक काय थोडे फॅमिलीक लागून हे फार्मर आतां ऑर्स जायत आयले 10 म्हयने जावन गेले ते थिंगा प्रोटेस्ट करतात. इज फॉलिंग ऑन डेफ इयर्स एंड ब्लायंड. एवरीबॉडी इज ब्लायंड. द सरकार आयज दोळे धांपून आसा. आनीक आयज काँग्रेस पार्टीन जे काँग्रेस पार्टीन देशाक आमकां डेमोक्रेसी दिल्ली देश आमचो बिगस्ट डेमोक्रेसी इन द वर्ल्ड म्हणटा पूण ह्या सरकारान आयज ती डेमोक्रेसी फकत पेपराचेर दवरल्या. इज ओन्ली ऑन पेपर. एक्चुअली आमी आतां डेमोक्रेसी काबार करतात तेन्ना उलो मारता सगळे गोंयकारांक तेच भाशेन देशांत दोळे उगड्यात जे आमी आयज काँग्रेसमॅन हिंगा बसल्यात ते आमगे स्वार्था लागून न्ही फकत देशाची पर्दा गोंयची पर्दा की ही BJP जी आसा तिणें आयज लोकां खातीर दोळे धांकल्याय फकत आपणाक कितें बरें पडटा. ओन्ली फॉल्स एश्युरन्सीस. मन की बात लोकां बोलेन उलोय हें कितें जालां कितें करपाचें आसा आनी मागतात आमी की फार्मराचे इंट्रस्टान ही लॉ जे काडल्यात which are harming to the farming community, immediately they should be ripped, they should be stopped and should go back to the old laws where we were protecting farmers. हे म्हणून आनीक एक पावट देशाचे जनतेक गोंयचे जनतेक उलो मारता. हे जेन्ना आतां येतल्यात तांगेली फकत लोकांक फोटो मारपाचे एश्युरन्स दिवपाचें आनी कांय प्रॅक्टिकल करपाचें न्ही. तेन्ना तुमचे कडेन मागता जी काँग्रेस पार्टीन इतलें केल्लें आसा परती काँग्रेस पार्टीक देशांत आनी तशेंच गोंया हाडपाक. देव बरें.
नॅशनल स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन आसा मॅडम yes she was also part of it. On this.
Today, as I think Dinesh Gundu Rao ji has said clearly, that we are protesting against what's happening in this country, against the destruction of our constitution, against the fall of democracy. What we saw in Lakhimpur Kheri is an open and shut case. There's nothing more to say in it. There is a minister who is the Home Minister who should have resigned much before. During the time of the UPA, if there is a small allegation against any one of us, we immediately ask the minister to step down. That is how transparent the Congress party is and how transparent the UPA was. That is the importance. Today what we see is anybody can do anything. Here, there is also, I hear that we ask the minister to resign. But according to me, the minister should be arrested because there has been obstruction of justice here. Let's understand very importantly, he's obstructed justice. Just like Mr. Gundu Rao had said, that how can he say that my son was not there? And when the police questioned him for 10 hours, Ashish Mishra finally said that I was there, and that's when they arrested him. So when the minister has come out with another statement, and when he's the Home Minister and the police is under him, he has obstructed justice. And according to our constitution, such a person not only resigns, but has to be behind bars. And we want to ask today Amit Shah and Mr. Modi, why is Mr. Modi mourn? Why has he kept quiet? He has time to condemn and pass condolences of terrorist act abroad, in America, in UK, everywhere. But when our own people are killed, and when there are video evidence, he doesn't say not only a word. 600 farmers have died, no word. But he also does not visit that place which was very close to where he was, from Lucknow to Lakhimpur Kheri. So what we demand right now is, Mr. Modi, please speak up, tell us what is happening. When are you going to ask your minister to resign, and when is he going to be arrested? We demand that Ajay Mishra be arrested right now. Thank you, that's about it.
Girish, you're not saying anything. Huh? When do we conclude? Yeah.
आमगे कंट्रीन म्हाका सदां फार्मर म्हणल्यार इज द बॅकबोन ऑफ द नेशन आनी फार्मरां जर तर ट्रस्ट करता जाल्यार हो गव्हर्मेंट म्हाका दिसना इज फिट टू रूल द स्टेट ओर अदर कंट्री. सो म्हाका दिसता फार्मरांक प्रोटेक्शन दिवपाचें हें मास्ट, एंड देर शूड बी स्ट्रॉंग एक्शन अगेन्स्ट ऑल दोज पीपल हू आर इनवॉल्व. ते मागीर कोणो जावं आनी तेंगेली लव फॉर द फार्मर कोट्टलो ऑन द एक्शन दे टेक. So we demand strict action against everybody, whoever involved. They should be arrested, they should be put behind bars, not only put behind bars, proper sections have to be put, and no manipulations as far as the law is concerned. म्हणजे एक वर्षी हे सिच्युएशन क्रिएट केला की बाबा ते हेल्प करपा सोदताय काय ना. It should be free and fair, and तेजे सारखे हे जावपा जाय, and justice to the farmers. ये country straight laws for farmers are laws आहे. आजपासून people are opposing it. Still the government is at the center is not changing these laws. So we demand that we want all these laws to be changed, and back again we want the country to be smooth, nice and peaceful. That's our demand.
Thank you.
Sir, English. Yes, sir.
Today it was a part of AICC's nationwide protest to awaken our government against all the atrocities on the farmers, brutally killing the farmers of the country. They want to destroy the protest. So it looks like when the Prime Minister and the Home Minister is not arresting the culprit, and they have taken such a long time, they are not arresting the minister, not sacking the minister. It looks like the Prime Minister and Home Minister is responsible for this brutal killing, and Mr. Mishra and his son must have been encouraged by the Prime Minister, because no action is coming from Government of India despite there was nationwide protest, and it is open and shut case. Everyone has seen how minister's car was used to brutally kill the protesting farmers. So it looks like the Prime Minister and Amit Shah has directly instigated this minister and his son to attack these farmers, and that is why Prime Minister and Home Minister are not taking any action against the minister and his son for these atrocities.
So what is the demand? What is your demand? Congress demand?
Congress has already, our in charge Dinesh has already said that he has to be arrested, he has to be booked, and proper investigation has to be held, because it is seen by entire country, not only in India, all over the world, how the Home Minister's car is used to kill the innocent farmers.
तुमचे पाचे
पळय तुम्ही ऐकला हा हे बीजेपीचे फकत मन की बात म्हणटा मन की बात म्हणजे कितें लोकांचे मायंड तेणी पळोवंक जाय आतां हिंगा घडलां कितें वयता थिंगासर फार्मर आतां इतले आदरांनी लाखांनी फार्मर रस्त्यार येता तेंच्या कानार आसना एक कुड्डे आनी भेरे जालेले आहा आनी तुमी पळयलां आतां फाटल्या दिसांनी त्या मिस्त्राच्या चेड्यान गाडी हाडून 8 आमचे फार्मर इनोसंट फार्मर आपल्या पोटाक लागून आपल्या फॅमिलीक लागून आपले हक सांबाळपाक आपणाचे रायट आनी भुरग्यांचो फुडार फ्युचर आनी तेंचोच न्हू आमच्या गोंयच्या इंडियेच्या लोकांचो फुडार सांबाळपाक आमच्या फुडल्या जनरेशनाक सांबाळपाक ते झगडटा आनी अशें तर गाडी येता आनी फोर्सान दादागिरी कशी येता आनी तांकां मारून वयता आनी तेंची कोण खबरय घेयना आनी तुमी जाणा फाटल्या दिसा तुमी आयकलां प्रियांका गांधी फकत तेंच्या होबरेक गेलेली तेंचे होबरेक गेल्या म्हणून हे बियोंड पीक पासून अरेस्ट केली कितें गेलेलें म्हणून तें एक बरो लिडर केन्नाय कोण बियोंड जालो कोण मेलो जाल्यार वयता होबरेक आनी तेंच्या होबरेक पासून वचोंक दिवंक ना आनी हो राग आमच्या गोंयकारांक आहा आनी आमचे गोंयकार समलो हो राग इलेक्शना टायमार काडटले आनी दाखयतले ह्या बीजेपी गव्हर्मेंटाक आमी हिंगासर गोंयान कशें तांकां मॅजॉरिटी दिवन आमी काँग्रेस पार्टीक आमी स्ट्रॉंग करतले
फाटल्या दिसांनी राजेश गावटेन तुमचेर एलिगेशन केलां की सांताक्रूज तुमचो अस्तित्वच ना म्हणून
पळय कितें जालां तुमी जाणा आसतले फाटल्या दिसांनी हिंगा आमी तालिगांव ऑफीस ओपन केलां काँग्रेसीचें आनी थिंगासर त्या ऑफिसाक हांव गेल्लो आनी तुमकां खबर आहा थिंगासर बाबूश बेजार जावन हेंचो हो रिजल्ट ह्या तिगांक एकठांय केलेले हाका फोर्सान एकठांय हाडल्या हे एकठांय ना एकामेकाक हे बरें ना एका दीस जाल्यार ते म्हणटा आमी सपोर्ट करतले आनी तेय उलयना आपूण चवथो मनीस उलयता तेंच्या मदें सारकी युनिटी ना हांकां फोर्सान धाडल्या फकत म्हाका हें करपाक बेजार करपाक मात आमी बेजार जावपाचें ना आनीक कितलेंय तेणी केलें न्हू म्हाका म्हाज्या फाटल्यान लोक आहा आनी लोक सांगता थंय जातले लास्टाक कितें लास्टाक तुका सगळ्या लोकांचें
पण राजेश गावटे आनी विक्टरान म्हणलां की लॉयल न्हू म्हणटा तूं
पळय हांव केन्नाच काँग्रेसीक सोडून दुसऱ्या पार्टीक जॉयन जावंक ना आनी कितें सांगपाचें आतां हे मनीस पळय म्हणटा थोडे आहा पळय म्हणटा तूं पळय सांगता हे मनीस 3-4 पार्टी चेंज करून येयलेले आहा आमी पार्टी चेंज करूंक ना हांव मामी फर्स्ट टायम तेन्ना इंडिपेंडंट जिखून येयलेली आनी त्या टायमार मामीन काँग्रेसीक सपोर्ट केल्लो अनकंडिशनली तेन्ना 3 जाणां जिखून येयलेली मामी मागीर मानू फेर्नांडीस आनी मानियल वास आनी अनकंडिशनली काँग्रेसीक सपोर्ट करून तेन्ना सावन आमी सदांच काँग्रेसीक आहा आनी मामीनी म्हाका सांगलां सदांच काँग्रेसच्या फाटल्यान राव आनी हांव सदांच काँग्रेसच्या फाटल्यान आसतलो आनी म्हाका मामीचें नांव दवरपाचें आहा मामीचें नांव आमी वयर काडूंक जाय आनी मामीच्या पावलांनी हांव चलतलो